The battle for Bengal is heating up. Mamata Banerjee versus agencies is escalating. The CJI was on stage when Mamata Banerjee targeted the agencies. She took a whale jibe and directly also attacked the agency. She basically says that agencies are indulging, quote-unquote, in defamation. Appeal the judiciary, as she says, to save democracy. Didi made the save democracy pitch, going on to say, quote-unquote, save democracy from disaster. She called judiciary the guardian of the constitution and urged a ban on so-called what she calls media trial before verdict. We'll be listening to what Mamata Banerjee had to say, but obviously the war of words escalating. Mamata Banerjee making these remarks at an event where the CJI was also present. In the presence of CJI, Mamata Banerjee targeting the agencies. It's a big development. My colleague Harish is live with us on the broadcast. Harish, if I could come to you, take us through, first of all, what this event was all about, and obviously a very significant statement coming in from the side of Mamata Banerjee, the CJI present. Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, takes a broadside at the agencies.
Yes, that's right. This rarely happens from the part of a Chief Minister when the Chief Justice of India is on the stage, and it comes at a time when Supreme Court has pulled up Mamata government over the IPAC raid matter, saying it's a very serious issue. Also flagged lawlessness in the state. Remember, Supreme Court had flagged the lawlessness in the state in the manner in which she stormed the IPAC office and took away records, caused commotion in the Calcutta High Court, and did not allow proceedings to happen, following which the Supreme Court had to take up the hearing. And yesterday she said, in the presence of Chief Justice, agencies indulging in defaming, deliberate attempt to defame, please protect Constitution, democracy from disaster, and ban media trial before final judgment. This is what Mamata Banerjee has told Supreme Court. And for the benefit of our viewers, let me read out what exactly she said. She says, my request to my Chief Justice, to all the judges, that please see our Constitution must be protected from disaster. Our democracy must be protected from disaster. Or safety, or security, or history, or geography, or boundary, all should be protected, and media should not go for media trial before finalizing any cases. This is a trend nowadays to malign the people, and most importantly, she says, I'm not saying for me, I'm only saying save democracy, save people, save judiciary, and we are under custody. And she says that this is nowadays a trend to malign the people, and please see there are so many agencies who are indulging in defaming. So in a way she's saying that indirectly she's alluding to the IPAC controversy where from the Supreme Court she has not received any relief. Remember, Supreme Court had even told Kapil Sibal, who had said that the matter should be heard in the High Court. The Supreme Court told Kapil Sibal when he asked, do you think that High Court cannot dispense justice? Supreme Court had very clearly told Kapil Sibal, who had represented Mamata government and West Bengal government, that don't put words in our mouth. We are only going by what has been placed by the Enforcement Directorate on the records. So a very surprising reaction, behavior from the West Bengal Chief Minister.
And again,
the Chief Justice of India is on.
Right, Harish, you're rightly pointing out and highlighting as to how surprising it is, how uncommon, how rare it is for a Chief Minister to attack and slam the agencies, especially in the presence of the CJI at, an event which is related to the judiciary. Why don't you stay with us, because we'll be talking about this and obviously the implications of the statement which have been made by Mamata Banerjee. But before, viewers, we go into that direction, let's listen in to exactly what Mamata Banerjee had to say.
Nowadays, three things are important. Number one is judiciary. Of course, number one is Constitution. Number two, citizens of this country. Number three, judiciary. Number four, the media. My humble regards will be to all of you. Please take care for our new generation. The lawyers, the junior lawyers are struggling. They are not getting their proper benefits. we want to see that they must get their proper benefits. And my request would be to my Chief Justice, to all the judges, that please see, our constitution must be protected from disaster. Our democracy must be protected from the disaster. Our safety, our security, our history, our geography, our boundary, all should be protected.
Protect the democracy. That is a statement which Mamata Banerjee has made, and we will be trying out patching in reactions, viewers, be it the BJP, the TMC, and neutral observers as to what they have to say about that statement. But before we do that, let me once again go, across to my colleague Harish. Harish, you were highlighting how rare, how uncommon is it that you have a sitting chief minister lashing out at agencies in the presence of the chief minister, isn't it? Any past precedent, and also was there any reaction at all coming from the side of the CJI when Mamata Banerjee suddenly started attacking the agencies?
In fact, not just the agencies. Remember, this matter is sub judice. It's actually before the Supreme Court, and this matter is again coming up for hearing. And the Supreme Court has already issued notice to the Chief Minister herself, then West Bengal government, then the DGP of the state, and also the Police Commissioner of the state on a petition which has been filed by the ED, saying that FIR should be lodged against Mamata Banerjee for the manner in which she had stormed the IPAC office, tampered with evidence, and also saying that only a CBI probe can do justice to this case, because the allegations are against the Chief Minister and the top officials of the West Bengal police. And therefore, there won't be a fair trial, transparent trial. Therefore, CBI is required. So at this juncture, the Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister, is making this statement or at a judiciary event, nothing totally unconnected with this issue.
Yes, and she did attack so-called media trials as well, to be fair. She did say that, quote-unquote, to quote Mamata Banerjee, that so-called media trials must end before final verdict comes. Harish, thank you for joining us with all these details.